Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Dave's Green Living, and today we're going to be looking at laundry detergent and its impact on the environment. When I was reducing my zero waste, or in my process of reducing zero waste, I began looking at my laundry detergent. It comes in these big plastic bottles, and I was just using generic laundry detergent like anybody else. And so as I started to do research, there was two things that were coming out. One was the plastic packaging, and which can be recycled if that's the route that you want to go down, which is what I was initially doing. Or you can go for non-plastic packaging, which is what I've been looking for, and I found one that I'm going to review today. And the other side is the ingredients of the laundry detergent itself. So laundry detergent, when it goes out of your washing machine into the environment, it's got heavy metals in it like arsenic and cadmium, which are damaging to the environment and to aquatic life. The other thing that it's got in it is phosphates, and phosphates encourage algal blooms. And so these algal blooms, they encourage algae to grow and really proliferate, but what it does is it robs the waterways of oxygen. So it not only reduces diversity, but it reduces life in general. And it blocks sunlight as well. So you kind of get this twofold effect where you've got these heavy metals and pollutants going into the environment and they're damaging the environment. And then it's also encouraging the growth of species that are robbing the environment of life itself and diversity. So you can find out more about these worrying kind of trends and how you can get involved and change your own lifestyle habits on the Surfers Against Sewage website or the WWF website. I'm going to put links to those in the description below. So I've started off with this generic laundry detergent you can get anywhere, typical plastic bottle, get it at a local grocery store. And then I switched to this, which is, it's all recyclable plastic, the cap and the bottle. Plant-derived detergent, so everything in it is plant-based ingredients, which are biodegradable and safe for the environment. But the issue is the plastic bottle for me and getting rid of this. So this is the new powder that I've gone over to and I'm going to try out today. All the ingredients in here are biodegradable, sourced from sustainable and naturally derived raw materials. It doesn't contain any of the sort of synthetics or chemicals that we're concerned with, kind of stuff that you get in these sorts of laundry detergents. So we've managed to get rid of the plastic. What I would be interested in, the reason that I like this is because it's all plant-based, plant-derived ingredients, which I really like that. It's just a shame about the plastic. This one solves a lot of my problems. And like I said, I don't know if this is plant-based, but it's all sourced sustainably and it's all biodegradable and it doesn't have the chemicals in it. So that's the main concern for me, is that it's not harming the environment. The other thing I'm going to do today is a test to see how good the quality of the detergent is. And this is my little pal Pups. And when we go out into the woods and forest and beach and walking in the bad weather, he gets muddy and messy. So when I get him back, I dry him off and clean him down, and these are his towels. So we're going to stick these in the washing machine with the new detergent, and we're going to see how it holds up and see whether it does a good job and whether it's worth it. Here we are, moment of truth. So the grubby, grimy dog towels have all been washed, and we're going to have a look and see how they turned out. That's one. I think it's done a pretty good job. This was the worst one. So this one was really, really filthy. And yeah, it's come up all right. The whites are whiter than white. And this is the last one, so not bad. So I'd definitely give that a thumbs up. It's done a really good job. Well, that's my video on zero waste laundry. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you get some use out of it. If you're not zero waste, then this could be a good starting point for you. If you already are zero waste, or you're on your way to having zero waste in your laundry or any other area, let us know in the description below. It'd be nice to see what you guys are doing out there in the community. Until next time, it's Dave's Green Living. Take it easy. Bye.